We are interrupting our regular reporting with a breaking news story. I'm sorry, I'm just looking to my producers here. Is this confirmed? They're telling me it has been. The Vice President-elect, Victoria Newman, is dead. Assassinated today, only hours after revealing to the world that she is super-abled. For now,
Where's
what we
Ryan?
know is that Victoria Newman leaves
This was all for him after all, right?
Other networks have reported
What are you doing here?
Celebrating.
party, but
We won. Here.
Everything's turned to shit. Plan's dead.
This is the plan. I mean, sure, a few curveballs, but, we got here. Just had to keep a few bits to myself. You know, the bits you'd fuck up by, being you. Newman would have been a shit patsy, stubborn, too many ideas, so I went another way.
Bob Singer himself ordering the assassination.
If you'd killed Newman like I ordered, we wouldn't be stuck 4 stories underground playing pocket pool.
And now we go live. Okay, that's President-elect Robert Singer taken into custody by federal agents in an unprecedented turn of events that is certain to go down as one of the darkest days.
Oh. It's for you.
Who is it?
Oh, Speaker of the House Calhoun. Once they invoke the 25th, he's next in line to be president. He'd like to pledge his allegiance to you.
To me?
Just like I promised. We had a deal.
Yeah, well, I broke the deal.
I didn't. I told you, you could trust me, boo. I got your back.
I threw you out like garbage. Why would you do this?
To see if I could. Thank you. This was so much fun. Whew. Just, next time, listen to me.
Next time?
Oh, hells yeah, blonde ambition. Buckle up for phase 2.